How to make your own papaya body soap from scratch. Lightening soap. Now, for those of you be saying that they look for a way to lighten up your skin without using harsh chemicals, without using chemicals that contain creams or soaps that contains hydroquinone, mercury. You understand? You're trying to stay off from those creams or body creams or soaps. This is the perfect way to lighten up your skin without using chemicals. Now, before I continue, please do well, I beg. Follow me on my social media platforms, the same name, both Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube, Facebook, please, the same name. Recommend my videos, I beg you. Share this video, it is very important. Now, I know many ladies nowadays, they want to look beautiful, you know. Many ladies, they are not black, but because of the weather now, the condition of this country, the nature of their job, they don't black. Yes, they don't black finish because creams when they buy, you know, they work. Many of these creams, many of these soaps now fake. But my daddy, you know, you can make your own body soap. Yes, just using papaya. How do you make this soap? Just as they watch this video, carry papaya. Pawpaw is the same thing as papaya. Carry pawpaw, fresh pawpaw, ripe pawpaw, blend them. When you don't peel the skin, remove and wash and normal now as if you want chop and blend them. When you blend finish, go get your transparent soap. How to make transparent soap? In case you are looking for how to make transparent soap, you know sabi do am. You want me to teach you? Send me a DM or you drop comment that you want to learn how to make this transparent soap. You are saying how to make transparent soap. Let me know. I will teach you. You see, that transparent soap is a very neutral based soap. Now that soap that they used to promise bar soap, all those beauticians, all those cosmetologists, all those soap makers, now what thing they use, they formulate that soap from scratch. So you need soap, a base soap that does not contain chemicals, that has nothing, just plain natural. So if you look for that kind of soap, let me know. And you can also use black soap, you know, Oshedudu. You can also use Oshedudu to formulate this. So you just mix them together, you understand? When you mix them together, come put them for your mold. You can add a little bit of glycerin. Glycerin now to just prevent them from not getting, you know, bad quickly, you know, because of the fresh pawpaw. You know, they use them they bathe morning, you know, and night. If you have the opportunity to bathe in the afternoon, fine. Continuously, consistently. Consistency is the key. Not be say go use them for 1 month, you can't just say it no work, you know they work like that. You know, natural things don't work fast. Now chemicals they work quick. If you use chemical soap wash body, now chemical soap when it contains mercury or when it contains hydroquinone, you understand, fast for under 1 week you don't lighten up. But this thing does not, it takes time, so you need to be very careful. You need to just be patient. So use it continuously. You go see your body go dey fresh, you understand, your skin go dey fresh, you go get like 2 to 3 shades, you understand, you go lighten up a little. You know, we need to, ladies, we try to look good. You know, you need to look good not at the detriment of harming your skin. You know, look good with something good. So like I repeat, if you know, so you want make I do the base soap for you, teach you how to do the base soap, please let me know. Like I said before, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social media platforms, the same effects always. I love you guys. Yeah. Like chopper.